Mababang masyado.
Pero wala itong hayaan na yung patients is mag-ano po sa
Dadaan ako dahil.
baka madali
Sige lang, mamaya ko pa sa
Because you got your hands at the back. You count at the bottom three. 1, 2, 3, left rotation. Step. Pwede na. Step. Kita yan po yung isa kong leg.
Yeah.
Out, twist. Step. Step.
I-move niya, oh. Yung isang legs niya. Ni ma'am. Oo. Ni ginaan, i-move niya.
Yan. Do slowly rotations. And then do at the back and then adjust rotations. So, you can, this one, you can bring her out. And then when you put her back, and then, lock your leg again. Rotations. 1, 2, 3. Left. Lama ko lang po yung gagalaw.
Step. Step. Step.
Kung nakikita niyo po, hindi nawawala yung kamay kong nakaalala sa kanya. Yan po.